Hi, I'm Cheryl Fratello. As elder law attorneys, we are sometimes faced with clients who have been injured in a nursing home, assisted living facility, and at home under the care of a home health agency. We've invited attorney John Dalli here today to discuss negligent care and to educate us about the rights of residents in care facilities and those receiving care at home. John, welcome. Please tell us a little bit about you and your law practice.
Thanks, Cheryl. It's great to be here, and I appreciate the opportunity to speak to you today. Dalli Marino is a personal injury law firm that has been representing seriously injured individuals for over 25 years. We represent persons injured in auto accidents, construction accidents, and medical malpractice. In 2007, we began to focus a part of the firm's practice representing victims of neglectful care and treatment in nursing homes, assisted living facilities, and group homes.
John, what do you mean by neglectful care in nursing homes? What kind of cases do you see?
Cheryl, all nursing homes are required to provide an individualized level of care to residents they accept. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. This is a requirement under the New York State Public Health Law. This means that injuries like bed sores and falls that cause fractures and sometimes even death should not occur if the resident is being provided with appropriate care. We represent many elderly people who are injured in nursing homes due to understaffing, poorly trained staff, and lack of monitoring.
John, can you help us understand why these injuries happen in nursing homes?
Sure. Unfortunately, too many of these facilities place profits over people. Time and time again, we see residents suffering from pressure ulcers and broken hips because there aren't enough aides to manage their care or to keep a proper watch over them. These types of injuries even occur in Alzheimer's and dementia units, which are supposed to have additional staff to supervise and care for the residents. These injuries should not happen, and when they do, it's often as a result of a violation of the residents' rights under the New York State nursing home regulations.
John, what can we do to protect our family members in nursing homes?
It's very important that the staff at the nursing home knows that the resident has family or friends visiting and checking on their well-being. If you see something that you're not comfortable with, report it immediately to a nursing supervisor. And don't be afraid to contact the facility's administrator if you have complaints about the care.
John, does New York State law protect residents in a nursing home?
The New York State Public Health Law provides that a resident of a nursing home who is injured as a result of a violation of their right to appropriate and individualized care can file a lawsuit seeking monetary damages for the resident's pain and suffering, as well as separate damages for the violation of their rights. In certain cases, punitive damages can be awarded as well if the nursing home acted with willful or reckless disregard of the rights of the resident.
John, what's the best way for a family to determine if they actually have a case?
Well, Cheryl, speak to a lawyer who is versed in this area of the law to learn your rights. At Dalli & Marino, we provide a no-fee consultation and are happy to speak with those who have had the unfortunate experience of seeing their loved one injured in a nursing home. Part of the reason I practice in this area is because I learned firsthand how difficult it is for families to navigate the system. I experienced this with my own dad as I had to care for him in his later years. So we take great pride in being advocates for the elderly and really standing up for people who oftentimes have nobody to fight for them.
John, thanks for joining us today and helping us keep our community safe.
Thank you, Cheryl. Happy to be here.